Hey! Okay, so I just got the new braids in. First scalp, everything. Yeah. And so this is just a quick and easy way as to how to keep your braids fresh for as long as possible, or looking fresh, or looking good for as long as possible. First things first, it depends on how they're done. So these are Bohemian braids, and they're known to tangle very easily. Bohemian braids, or princess braids, or salsa braids. I think they have all sorts of different names, but I think the name that I know them the most with is Boho braids. So anyway, it begins with how it's braided. So firstly, in order for them not to tangle, you need to be able to have like this, the strands of hair that are coming out need to be thick enough so they don't tangle easily. The thicker these strands are, the less likelihood it's going to tangle. Because you know we don't want to be in Rapunzel, not just yet. Okay, so let's get into how you can keep them fresh for as long as possible. So it just depends on how you're going to sleep. So I'll show you a quick and easy way to tie your hair before you sleep. You're just going to need 2 hair ties, and then you can split your head into 2. And for a moment, you turn into the girl from The Ring. And then, fabulous. Okay, so you split your head into 2, and then you split this into other second parts of 2, and then you'll just gently twist the hair, just gently, not like tight twists at all, just very gentle twists on the hair. And then you turn yourself into Princess Leia. So you just go around like that, and then you take your hair tie, and this is just a very gentle puff, and then you tie it like that, and you can do it at the back of your head if you want as well. So again, you take the second part, and then you go around, just very gentle twists, gentle, and then again you turn yourself into Princess Leia. Yep, just twist it on itself, make a soft bun. You don't want to have a tight bun because then that will ruin the curls on the hair, so just very gentle buns. Okay, this one's coming loose, but yes, you turn yourself into Princess Leia. And then you take your scarf. I'm just using a regular scarf, but if you have like a satin scarf or satin bonnet, well and good. And then you just tie the satin bonnet on your head. So you just, why am I struggling to tie this? So you just tie it. I mean, the chances of the scarf running away in your sleep are very high, but yeah. You just tie it and you have your Princess Leia buns, and then you go to sleep, and then in the morning when you wake up, you just open it up, and then you just unravel it gently, and the curls, just unravel it gently, and the curls should all remain. Easy as that. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. Hasta la vista. That's just a quick and easy way to keep your braids from running astray. Wait, just before you leave, another product that you can use when your braids do get a little bit older is this. I think you can also get this on AliExpress. I'll put a link down below. And so yeah, this, when your braids get a little bit older, you can just add this to your braids, and it makes it like almost, I feel it almost feels like glycerin of sorts. It has like a very shiny feel to it, and it just like makes the fingers as well run softly through the braids. So yes, this is something else that you can get, but apart from that, you can also use braid spray, and then just often just put it on your braids to keep them fresh for longer.